Bonjour mes étudiantes. So today in this video, we will learn how to attempt your section A, that is comprehension in your French exam. Okay. So let's see. I have taken the CBSE sample paper, which they have issued on their website. So let's have a look on this, how to attempt this part, this section A, which is your comprehension. So don't just start reading the comprehension. Okay. What you have to do, firstly, just read the topic. What is the topic? Name of the topic. Normal le stress. Okay. So you understand stress, the topic might be related to stress. Okay. Then jump directly to the questions. Okay. Répondez aux questions suivantes. The first part says, d'après l'image, nommez des soucis principaux de santé chez les jeunes. Okay, I again read the question. D'après l'image, nommez des soucis principaux de santé chez les jeunes. What does it mean? D'après l'image. It is according to the image or as per the image. Name the main principle, concerns, that is concerning santé. You know the meaning of santé. It is one of your chapter as well of your entretien. Santé, which means health. Okay, so as per the image, name the main concern or principles which are concerning the health of the youngsters at the place. Okay, so as per the image, definitely the answer will be from the image only. So let's look carefully the image. So yes, here the first line it is written, Principaux souci de santé chez les enfants. So this is your answer only. So they have given this in percentage 12%, 15%, and 19%. Now, how to attempt this question? How to write in the board exam? So what we'll do? We'll start from the question itself. D'après l'image, you will write d'après l'image, as per the image. As per the image, you will start writing from here. Okay. Then you cut nommé and you write des soucis principaux de chanter chez les jeunes sont, are. So means are. Okay. You put the colons and just write A part or first. Now again jump to the image. The first is anxiety the performance. You'll write this. Then your B part is trouble the insomnia. And the C part is trouble the anxious. Okay? So this is your answer 1. Alright. Then for the visually impaired students, only those students who cannot see properly the image, they can try the second question, which is selon le texte, according to the text or as per the text, comment se sentent les élèves qui ont peur de exam? How the students feel, how the students sentir verb, which means to feel when they have fear of exams. So let's start reading the passage. The exams make everybody fear, okay? Certains étudiants n'arrivent pas à dormir toute la nuit avant les épreuves. I hope you can easily understand the meaning of this line. Certain students cannot sleep whole night before the exam. So this is your answer only, all right? So the question is how the students feel. So you can just write this in your answer only, that certain students, certains étudiants, few students n'arrivent pas à dormir toute la nuit avant l'épreuve, before the exams. So this is your question. Answer 1. Okay. Now let's see B part. Que faut-il faire pour mener une vie saine? What does it mean? Que faut. What is necessary or what should we do to many? Many means lead. To lead a healthy and healthy life. Okay, V means life, saine, healthy. Santé is a verb and saine, which means healthy. So what can we do or what should be done to lead a healthy life? So let's again see the image. Is in the image, do we have anything related to this question? No, this is for stress. Then des enfants déjà consultent. No. All right. So let's jump to the passage now. First line we have already done. The read. Mais c'est une période très importante pour succeed at the school. Bien sûr, il faut étudier, mais il est aussi crucial de mener. So, see. My question says, que faut-il faire pour mener une vie saine? The same line is written here, right? Il est aussi crucial the mener. It is very crucial, important to maintain a healthy life. Now, what are the things we can do? faire de l'exercice. Okay, do the exercise, se détendre, be relaxed, bien dormir, take a good sleep, et manger équilibré, eat a balanced diet or proper food. So this is the answer of your B part. Okay, now how to write this? You just write il faut faire, and you can start writing from here only. Il faut faire de l'exercise, faire se détendre, bien dormir, et manger équilibré. All right. Okay, now let's see the C part. You will get the choice. You can do any two from these questions, but let's see the C part as well. Qu'est-ce qui va? Now, what is the meaning of qu'est-ce qui va? Qu'est-ce qui va means what happens. Okay, what happens? Nous arrivons. Qu'est-ce qui va? Nous arrivons. What happens if we do not eat well? Assez. Assez means enough. What happens if we do not eat well or if we do not have a good meal? So let's see the passage. First passage we have almost read and we understand hopefully. Then si on ne mange pas assez. Oh, here is the same line, exact line which is asked in our question. Si on ne mange pas assez. If we cannot eat well, then what happens? On se fatigue vite et on a du mal à se concentrer et à se souvenir des choses. So this is your answer. You can mark it exactly from here and you will get a full mark. Okay? All right. Now, dit vrai or faux. You have to again do the true false. You have to attempt, I think, all. Yes. Solo la image as per the image. Again, see, what you have to do, you have to thoroughly look at the image. Okay. Very, very, very carefully look at the image because one or two answers must be, they will ask from the image itself. Okay. So again, the first question was from the image. Now again, they have already written as per the image, 15% des jeunes sont stressés car ils n'arrivent pas à dormir. Okay, let us see. 15% students or youngsters trouble the insomnia. So that's right. It means our answer is vrai. So what we'll do? We'll write vrai over here. Now, d'après le texte, as per the text, is it necessary that we take the repas régulièrement et dormir pour pouvoir réviser? So, it is necessary that we must take a regularly meal and sleep well to revise. Yes, it was also written in our passage. So this is also vrai. You can write vrai over here. You have to attempt only one part from this or this. Okay. Vrai. Next, let's see the next part, E part. Certains élèves passent des nuits blanches parce qu'ils ont peur des professeurs. Few students pass des nuits blanches. Again, you must know the meaning of des nuits blanches, right? White night. What does it mean? It means that a child has not slept for the last whole night due to some stress or some health related issues. Okay. But basically it means due to stress or he was afraid of the exams. So he passed a white night. So in this part, they have given certain élèves passed the nuit blanche because they were afraid of the professors. No, I don't think so. This will be right. Let us see. They passed the white night because of their exams. They were afraid of their studies, their exams, not of the professors. So this is your, this statement is wrong. So you can write for. Okay. Okay, let's see the next part. That is F part. On doit faire des exercices de grammaire pour régler le stress. Régler le stress means to deal with the stress. We must do the grammar exercises. No, I don't think so. This is written anywhere in the passage that we have to do or we have to practice grammar exercises to deal with the stress. It is only written that we have to do the exercises to deal with the stress. So this statement is again false. So we can write 4 over here. Now, let's jump to the next point, that is G part. Il est important de manger des fruits pour avoir des vitamines. Okay, it is important to eat the fruits to have the vitamins. Is it written anywhere in the passage? Let us read. अब देखो बेटा जो words, the words which were given in the sentence, just try to find out the words related in the passage. Just go through that lines only and correlate or translate them. Try to translate, okay? De manger un fruit fair or boire des jus pour avoir de vitamines. Yes, it is very much written in the passage that we should eat a fruit, fresh fruit, or drink juice to have the vitamins. And what they have asked that it is important to eat fruits, so that's true. We can write wherever. The statement is pretty much true. All right. H part is consome du lait et du yacht, cela nous donne du calcium et des céréales. Is it written anywhere that consuming the milk and the yogurt gives us the calcium and the cereals? Now again, jump to the passage. Start reading, reading. Ah, here it is written that manger du pain or the cereals. Lay on yogurt gives us the calcium and proteins. Okay, here it is written proteins, calcium. It gives us calcium and proteins, not calcium and cereals. So this statement is false. We can write it right forward here. Okay, and I part says il faut passer du temps avec sa famille et ses amis quand on se sent stressé. It is necessary to pass the time with the family and friends to release the stress or when we feel stressed. Yes, as per me it is right, but as per the text, let us find the statement where it is written or anything related to the statement is written over here or not. Yep, here it is. Partage. Partage means to share, you know. Partage ses sentiments avec ses parents et ses amis. Cela peut aider énormément à réduire le stress. So the statement is again vrai. This is vrai. Okay. So this is how kids you have to attempt your true false, your vrai or faux. All right. Now, trouver dans la text, you have to do any three, but we'll try all the 5 parts. The first is an adjective. Adjective, you know what are adjectives. So let's found an adjective from the passage. Okay. Here is the adjective. Important. Importo. Okay. So importo is an adjective. You can write over here. Important. It is an adjective. Okay. Now conjunction. Conjunctions, you know, a, that is and, or, but, pars, car, they all are conjunctions and they were clearly mentioned in the passage. Here it is written may. So you can use this conjunction, this as conjunction, and you can write in this fill up may. May is your conjunction. Okay. Now, next part says, une expression qui veut dire, an expression which would want to say, il est suggéré. Il est suggéré, which means it is suggested. Okay. It is suggested. So, which word is similar to this? It is suggested. Let us go through the passage very, very, very carefully. Here it is written, il est recommandé. I hope you can see it. Let me use the eraser and clearly show you. Il est recommandé. So it is suggested and it is recommended. Both are same. Il est recommandé. You'll write here from the passage. Okay. Then an autre verb pour sa rappeler. Now sa rappeler means, what does it mean? You have to remember, right? It means to remember. Sa rappeler means to remember. So let us found a verb which is related to remember. Sa rappeler. Let me see. Here is the verb. Pronominal verb is given, which is se souvenir. Okay. I have clearly found the verb and we will write here se souvenir. Right. So last part says la forme verbale de réduction. Okay. You have to find a verb related to this word reduction. Okay. I think you have already learned the nominal forms and the verbs But let's see, reduction की होती है रिड्यूर. Here it is written, right? Here is the verb reduir. So we'll write here reduir. Okay. So as per me, it is very easy passage, and I hope this is the best way to attempt section A. That is your comprehension in your board exam. So if you do like that, definitely you will score full 10 on 10. Okay. Follow for more. Merci.